Welcome back. Let's wait a couple more minutes. All right, so we're gonna look at we looked at set and a subset, set and a subset. Um, so if we said this is a set, hello Terrence, and if we call this a subset, we write it down like that. Now here's another term for it: subset and proper subset. All right. Anything that is a subset is also a proper subset. But if something is a proper subset, it cannot be a subset. In order to be a proper subset, it has to be smaller than the big set. So, for example, if I say this, and let's call this another set, I can say A is a subset of B. Note, I have this extra stuff there, which is to say it's a subset, okay? But I cannot say this, that A is a proper subset of B. I cannot do that, which I have to use this symbol. No. Here's the reason why. In order to be a proper subset, it has to be strictly smaller than that. A has the subset, in order to be a proper subset, the subset has to be smaller. Okay, that's it. Any question before I go into universal set and all those? All right. So now we're going to look at universal set, intersection, and that. This is U, is the universal set. It's called it like mother of all set. Mother of all set. So let's use this symbol. Let's call this A, B, C, D, and E. And B is E, F, G, H, I, A. Universal set will include both of this set, and it could have some more. So in this universal set, I'll have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, H, and I. So that's the universal set. Oh, no. I could have more. I, J, K, and then I could have 8 in there. So in the universal set, all the set has to live inside the set, but I could have some elements that are not in the universal set. All right. Now, U to represent universal set. All right. Now, this U is different than, this is the part it might confuse you. This upside down U and this. This means intersection. And this means union. All right. So what are this union and intersection means? If I'm looking at A union B, not the universal set, what it means is I look at all the elements in A and B and I just combine them. I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and A. But I have some repeat. Look at the repeat. E is the repeat. What else I have? And A is the repeat. So I don't need to rewrite it again. So all I have to do is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now, union means that you combine all the elements and you don't repeat it. What about intersection? For the intersection, A intersection B, I look at what are the elements I have that I have common in both of them. Right over here, E and AA. And for the intersection, I just write down those two elements. AE. That's it. Any question? I'll wait a minute. All right. So now, what about a complement? Which is complement. Complement is we look at all the elements. Let me erase that. We're going to go back to all the elements in A, and then we're going to look at the universal set. And we look at it, what are the elements I have in A, and I cross them out, and what is left in the universal set. That's what a complement means. So let's use some fun color. Let's use blue. So what's in A that's in U? Right over here. B, C, D, E. That's it. So these are the five elements I have in A that's in U. And how do I write a complement? So a complement would be all the elements that are not in A and it's in U. So which would be F, G, H, I, J, K, and 8. So that's a complement. All right. So let me make the problem a little bit more interesting. I want you to try A intersect the B complement. What would that be? You know what? Not that. Sorry. A union B complement. Try that. All right, so let's check it out. So let's look at what's in A union B. A union B are these, okay? So let me highlight them. What's in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So these are in A union B. And complements would be J, K, and 8. J, K, and 8. Good job. All right, Terrence, slow down. I'm getting to the answer. All right, now let's try my original one, A intersect B complement. What would that be? Try that. Oh, I believe there's a lag with the YouTube streaming when I do it. There's maybe 30-40 seconds of lag, so be patient. All right. So let's try this one. A and E are these. And what do I have left? B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, and 8. Okay. All right. So let's try this one now. This is the hard one. B complement All right. A intersect B complement. A intersect B complement. Try that. All right, let's try it. So what is A? That's A right over here. Now we got to find what is B complement. So what are these? E, F, G, H, I, and A. So I got B complements would be B, C, D, J, K, and 8. So therefore, A intersect B complement. So we got to find the two elements. What are the elements that overlap between A and B complements? B, B, C, C, D, D. So my answer would be B, C, D. That was the hard one. I'll wait a bit to ask me your question. Any question yet? I don't see any question. So for the next section, what is 2.4? I'm not gonna cover 2.4 today. For that, try to get a lot of color highlighters, like different type of highlighters. Here's the reason why. Let me change the color of it, and you're gonna see why that matters. No fill. And let's say I'm looking at this scenario. Let me add two type highlighter this. So if I'm talking about intersection and I want to see what are the two colors overlap, we're not going to do this, and you're going to see why the two colors matter. Because it's easier for us to see where the two colors overlap, and we see that it's this region right over here. And that's what we'll be looking at. How certain colors overlap, certain colors doesn't overlap. That's what we'll be looking at. Okay, this will conclude today's lecture. If you have questions, see me right now. Ask me question right now. I'll wait a bit. There's no tomorrow. You're asking about 2.4. Let's look at it. 2.4. Ooh, 2. Yeah, I'm gonna postpone the 2.4 to next week. Good thing you brought it up. Let me change it while you guys are here. What is today? What is today? Thursday? Today's Thursday. Let me finish changing it. Almost. Okay, I've changed that. 2.4 has been postponed to next week. Michael, was I able to clarify it for you? All right. Okay, they don't help. See, that means you do have confusion, followed by your gooks. I don't know what does that mean. Good, you're good. I don't understand your children's lingo. I'm from a different era where when we call people, we send letters, and then once the letter was received, we would get then we call at a certain time that was needed to call. It was right before the Great Depression. Okay, I'll see you guys next class.